again, you're opening up young people to maybe a different world that they don't quite know about, and building those social skills as well is another really important part of that.
I think the life skills that they have to engage with to take part in a program like this, where they're meeting a lot of new people, you know, they're in a different place, they have to negotiate, they have to listen, they have to meet people with different opinions, and to go, I don't really agree with what you're saying, but I can disagree with you respectfully. I think all those skills are really important, and it's good fun. It's great, you know, it's really good fun.
I think these skills, with them having a space to voice their opinion, is going to help them in almost anything they do in their life, to give them the confidence that if they're ever in a situation where they want to give their opinion, when it's got nothing to do with theatre, then they're going to have the confidence to do that and the ability to do that.
I think art and theatre should be accessible to all, and I think for young people to feel that they can go to theatre, access buildings, access material, I think is really, really important, because I think it has better, broader implications on society. And I think for them to be able to give their opinion, in this context it's about theatre, but I think it then means they can give their opinion on politics, or they can give their opinion on what's happening locally or other art forms. And I think that that's a really important life skill to have.